Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be discussing about crypto and Bitcoin. Where are we heading next? But also I want to reveal to you the top altcoins, which I think is going to go over 100x in this 2024-2025 bull market. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button down below, and show some love. It's my new channel, and give me some support so I can post every single day new videos about this crazy cryptocurrency market and help you to how to navigate the crypto market itself. But let's cut the chase, and now let's get straight away into our coin that is going to go up like crazy. First of all, before continuing, I want to show you I want to show a little bit about Bitcoin, what's happening with crypto, because in general, Bitcoin is our leading indicator that can really help us to understand where the other coins can actually go to. So first of all, Bitcoin is now sitting. So first of all, I want to show you this chart over here, which I think that's medium term. So in the next 2 to 3 months, Bitcoin is going to reach a level of roughly $83,000 to $84,000 by in between May and June, a little bit after the halving. And why I believe that is because it's now forming what we call a parabolic move. So parabolic move is like a parabola where it's going to continue to go to the upside until it's going to find this point of exhaustion, then a little bit of a retracement maybe until the end of the year. And then, of course, around December, January, we're going to see another shoot to the upside to then reach my final target for this bull market, guys, which is probably in between 133,000 to 183,000 for one Bitcoin. So what I'm actually looking at right now could be the most important altcoin, which I think is going to go crazy and probably reach as high as 200x, and I think that's going to happen when Bitcoin is going to break all-time high. So in between May and June, we're going to see like an altcoin season. So what you have to do is to wait for Bitcoin to consolidate once it breaks all-time high, and then the altcoin season will start. So this specific coin I'm going to show you right now is going to be incredibly powerful, with like a very powerful movement, and we could see, but I'm going to show you also these levels of resistance that you have to have a look if you want, of course, to get out, as soon as, in order not for this coin to crash in the future. But I think that about May or June, altcoin season will start until the end of the year, and you're going to make crazy gains. So the coin I'm talking about today, guys, is Jasmy. So Jasmy Coin, it's an incredible coin that it has actually been established in December 2021, and it has been bashed. So at the time of its inception, when it was listed on Binance, guys, it was roughly around 36 cents, and as you can see here, it just went down in a downtrend. And if you go back into my TikTok video, so I have a TikTok called The Freedom Trader, so please follow me on there as well. I was showing that I made a video 6 months ago showing that if you would have broken a specific resistance, the price of Jasmy Coin would have gone up like crazy. So at the moment we are experiencing that. We're experiencing like a sort of a break to the upside. I'm going to show you more in depth what I think it could be happening right now. So as you can see, probably everybody now is talking about Jasmy Coin, and we had this incredible downtrend. We had a downtrend over here that it was going down and down and down and down. We form what we called, as you can see from here, I'm going to show you even better. We have formed a sort of a double bottom. So it could be a double bottom, could be also a cup and handle or a head and shoulder. It's very difficult to say exactly like what it looks like, but definitely looks like that this is probably the bottom, and then we broke a very important level of resistance. So the moment the price of Jasmy has pumped like crazy, touched the first level of Fibonacci retracement over here, and then we need to understand now what could be happening right now. So not to mention, guys, this is something that we have to be very careful right now if you want to buy Jasmy, because Bitcoin at the moment, I'm going to show you the chart over here, it's into this situation right now. So it has broken this level of support, is now trying to consolidate, is into this channel over here, and this channel looks almost like a bear flag. So if this is going to continue, guys, of course we are going to see a break to the downside and then to reach a level of $49,000 to $48,000. If that happens, then it's going to put lots of pressure to the altcoins, which probably could bleed with Bitcoin as well. So at the moment, Jasmy has just broken this level, is extremely overbought. What we could be seeing from here, that's what I'm looking at the moment. So if I was about to be a buyer, what I will wait right now would be for Jasmy to actually form a sort of a recoil, so a little bit of maybe up and down this way, forming like a lower low and higher lows to maybe like, form a flag and then at least go back to this level over here. We can even see and connect these dots over here and bring them here, and it brings us maybe around the 10th of March, 13th of March at a price of 0.011969. So I guess, if it's gonna do that, I'm gonna add more to my position. So, but, congratulations to all of you who listened to my video who were able to buy Jasmy Coin. But let's talk about better predictions for this 2024-2025 bull market for Jasmy Coin, and now you're gonna be surprised. So first of all, I'm gonna just go and zoom out a little bit so you can see exactly where I think we're gonna go. Have a look at this. So first of all, we have now touched this exponential moving average, which is the 100 moving average, and has been a little bit rejected, but what I would be expecting will be a consolidation and then another push to the upside. Guys, this is the targets I'm looking at for Jasmy Coin, and really you need to pay attention. So I know it sounds completely insane, but that's what I think it could be happening, because Jasmy Coin also doesn't have a big market cap, and the potential to the upside is enormous, right? So what I would be expecting from here with Jasmy Coin would be, first of all, we need to reach this level of resistance. It's going to be a 10x from here. So Jasmy could actually decouple or 10x in a few months, just going from here. So that's what I will be expecting. We're expecting a pump to the upside from here, maybe a little bit of a consolidation down to this level down again around here. Then the next leg up could be roughly around here, which is going to be sorry, I made a mistake here. It should be a 20x. I wrote 30x, but it should be 20x from here. A little bit of consolidation here. Next one is going to be 35x, which is going to be the previous all-time high. So Jasmy is going to go back to all-time high, the previous all-time high in 2021. We're going to see a 35x, which means that if you're going to invest $1,000, it can become $35,000 in a few months. Not financial advice. Don't follow what I'm saying. This is pure speculation based on data. That's what I'm going to do. I bought right now because I really can see this is going to have a crazy high potential to go to the upside, but of course you don't need to follow me. Just do your study, do your diligence, no financial advice at all. But at the moment, if we're going to go back into the previous all-time high, it could be a 35x. But now I'm going to show you something even better. So sometimes whenever we break all-time high, which is quite common in altcoins, what you can see, you need to calculate once you break all-time high, how high altcoins could actually go to. And it's quite incredible what the tool that we can utilize to do that. It's called the Fibonacci extension. Fibonacci is a mathematical sequence which helps us to understand how much a price of stocks and crypto or of an altcoin could actually extend to. So if I'm going to go and draw my Fibonacci extension, I'm going to show you how high Jasmy Coin could go to. So the first target for the Fibonacci is the 1.68, which is 0.59 cents or 80x from here. So Jasmy, theoretically, and I'm not saying I'm going to keep and hold these coins here for until it's going to be an 80x, but what I'm going to do with this one, I'll probably, I'll load some position at 10x, more at 30x, and maybe keep 20% at 35. So, but if we're going to see a parabolic move and Bitcoin going to $85,000, then I wouldn't be surprised if we're going to see the first target here, which is going to be an 80x from where we are right now. Right now we are sitting at 0.015, but we could go up as 0.59, which is an 80x from here, and is insane. The next target, guys, for the Fibonacci is going to be 94 cents or 127x. So Jasmy could go as high as 127x, and then I'm going to show you the last targets. And please don't faint right now, because it might sound crazy, I know, but there was a coin in 2021 called Axie Infinity who did exactly that, and it went up 240x. So I wouldn't be surprised if you're going to go as high as here. So the last target I got for Jasmy, which it's highly unlikely, but I'm going to just put it here for the sake of putting it, is the 4.236 Fibonacci. So if it's going to happen, if it's going to go as high as that, that's the price we're going to look at. So from 0.015 to 1.52, I'm going to try to make the math from here. So if it's going to go, and this is the crazy target, guys, the 4.236 Fibonacci. If it's going to go as high as 1.52, that could be a crazy level, which is going to be probably over 200x. So, but right now, what I'm really focusing right now will be up to this point over here, which could be 127x from where I actually from the bottom, from where I actually bought. So again, not financial advice, but that's what I think it could be happening. Jasmy Coin, I'm expecting it could go as high for this 2024, 2025, 127x, even to 200x. So those are the points, the levels that you have to take into consideration to have a look and all of that. But this is going to be incredible if we're going to go as high. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and you have a a good understanding about what's going to be happening with the altcoins. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video where I'm going to reveal another coin which I think is going to do another 100x for this bull market. Take care, and I'll see you later.